Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to block group participants from sending messages in WhatsApp on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your PC. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Locate the group you have created. It should be listed in your chats. Step 3. Click on the group name at the top of the chat window. This will open the group settings. Step 4. In the group settings, you will find various options. Look for the Settings tab and click on it. Step 5. Once you are in the Settings tab, scroll down until you find the Send Messages option. Step 6. By default, it is set to all participants. To block group participants from sending messages, choose the Only Admins option. And there you have it. You have successfully blocked group participants from sending messages in your WhatsApp group on PC. Remember, as an admin, you have control over the group settings and can manage the participants' permissions. That's all for today's tutorial on how to block group participants from sending messages in WhatsApp on your PC. We hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.